The three most topics with couples, if there's arguments, are money, time spent together, and children. This video is addressing the money problem. So, if it's not that existential with you two, so you have something warm to clothe, you have a roof over the head, and you have some food in the fridge or out of the fridge, you're actually very privileged, right? So, first of all, it's about like not about surviving issues in this video, but about money problems which can be there. Like the thing is, usually if there's money problems with couples, also have a look, is it really about money or something else? Most of the time it's about investing, right? Like the one person has the feeling, I'm investing a lot of emotions and I don't get the emotions back. So a good book here is The 5 Love Languages. We often speak our own language and give a lot of the thing we value the most, but it could be that the other person is receiving on another frequency, on another wavelength. If there is affection or not. Like it could be that the other person expresses love in showing attention, giving small gifts, or taking some action for the relationship, spending quality time together, whatever, right? So ask you too, when do you feel most loved? When do you feel most relaxed, most cared for? What do you need to feel good? And try to speak the love language of the other person and try to see now and then, one time a week or a month, like how do you feel with your own life? How do you feel together? How do you feel with the other person? What are your wishes? And try both always to take one step towards the other. And so ask yourself also, how was it in the dating phase? And keep your eyes open in the dating phase. Are you compatible in the rounds of ideas about children, time spending together, and money? But usually, really, money shouldn't be that much a problem. In an extreme, for example, one person spends all the money they have, and the other person wants security and save money. Then have a look, like what is it, what are the activities you want to do together, what are the also autonomy spaces where everyone can do its her or his thing, and then also see later, if you live together, whatever, do you want to have a bank account together for the most necessary things, and if yes, who pays how much into it? Like a good solution can be also who earns how much, and you pay percentage-wise into this shared bank account, or do you want to make 50-50 because for you both it's important to have it perfectly the same numbers separated, but usually also think, okay, is it not maybe a good idea to do it percentage-wise? So it's a very individual thing. And also it's a cultural thing, right? There's cultures which are more traditional, like Chinese, for example, and they have clear roles for female, for male people, usually, like statistically. And there's more liberal countries like Europe, for example, but there it's also separated in different countries how they would deal with it, right? Or individualistic values also in the US or whatever. So it's always about two people who are very individual. Keep your eyes open in a dating phase. What's your experiences with money? What does it mean for you? Maybe security, whatever. How does the other person handle it? And know that you both are a team, right? If you have a relationship together, usually it's about you decided to be a team together. See if one person invests for a phase a little bit more, especially maybe in this year there could have been changes of job employment and so on. Like be open with each other. What are your needs and what can both of you two do to get healthy through this phase? And what's the longer plan about it? That's it about money problems. What do you think? So to sum it up, usually if there's money problems, have a look. Maybe is it other needs you two are not facing that much at the moment. Can be because you neglected your own needs, don't you feel seen in certain areas. And feel free to write me anytime questions on my Instagram page or to contact me if you have further questions. My name is Maria Wagner. I'm a couples therapist and awareness trainer, doing also other stuff in Munich, Moosburg and online, and looking forward to hear your questions.